Hi everyone, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to show you my setup, my desk and other stuff. So let's get going. So now we're going to start with the case. So this is my Knox Hummer TX RGB case. Got 3 fans on the top. The next thing we have, it's my keyboard, which actually is a gaming keyboard, which I used a long time ago. So basically I bought this keyboard like 5 years ago and I still got it. It's not malfunctioning or everything, so I'm not replacing it for now. It's in pretty good shape. I really like to take care of my stuff. Makes a nice sound. Next thing is the microphone, a Knox microphone. It's mainly used for streaming, podcasts and everything, and I use it for communicating with my friends at Discord and making some streams about programming. The mouse is it's an Asus ROG mouse. I got it with a bundle with my laptop, and since I don't use that much my laptop, I use it on my desktop. It's a solid mouse. It's also for gaming, because back then I really was into gaming, and I got that and I played a lot, so most of my stuff are still for gaming and not for coding and developing, but it's still nice. Next, another thing, it's my monitor is still also gaming with it's a AOC monitor, 24 inches, and got that ability to rotate sideways, so but I never used it. So it can rotate sideways. I don't use that function, but it might be useful when I got another monitor with the same size, and it got a high refresh rate for also gaming, for when I used to game on that. For coding that's not very useful actually, but it's still good to play a few games. I still can get a nice field of view on my code. I don't have many code by now. I'm still developing my API using MongoDB. It's a very awesome monitor. The next thing I have, it's my speakers. It's a Logitech speakers. They're relatively cheap speakers, but the sound, it's amazing. I got this little controller, can turn on, off. Wait, I can connect my headphones in that, so it's pretty nice to have a controller here. And so since I don't game as much, I don't use headphones anymore, so I use my speakers to listen to music and disturb my neighbors. It's a very nice pastime for me. Nah, just kidding. The next thing I have here, it's my Nintendo Switch. It's a very important item on this desktop, which allows me to relax a little bit during my intensive work days. And I really like to play on it. I usually use the handheld mode, but I also like to connect to my monitor and use a bigger screen. As you can see here, it's right here in its little corner. I like to keep the games in here as well. I only got like 4 games, but it's still nice to pass the time. So I have my bookshelf at the top with mostly technical books, be like coding. This one is about trading, but I don't want to trade. It was from another time where I wanted to trade, but I think it's very hard for now. Some personal development books, I really liked it. Mostly the Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and the 5 AM Club, which is amazing. The Show Your Work, it's an awesome book. If you want to start to share your work, share it like I'm doing right now. I'm showing my work, I'm showing my books, I'm showing my laptop, I'm showing my desktop, I'm showing everything. So you can see what I do So you can see how I do my stuff, what's my process, what's everything, and this book helped me a lot. It's not a very big book. It has a lot of big letters. It's just simple context like rules and fun things you can do with your work. This is a very good book if you want to make a page about your work and anything like that. I got some books that I'm still trying to read, like the How to Make Friends and Influence People. I still haven't finished it yet. The 4-Hour Work Week, it's still on hiatus. The Hyperfocus, I'm reading it right now. And someone borrowed a book about digital marketing, which is very nice. I hope you guys get a new perspective about my workplace. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you didn't subscribe yet, I think you should. It's a very good bet. So I think you should like and subscribe to watch more videos about my work and about my projects, and in this case, my desk. Also follow my Instagram page where I upload a lot of my content there with some tips on how to become a better web developer. And I hope to see you next time, and I hope to see you next video.